What's the meaning of bleachers? Bleachers. Bleachers.
Bleachers. Bleachers. Bleachers refers to raised, tiered seating areas that are common in sports stadiums and arenas. These seating areas are typically made of wooden or metal planks and are used to provide a clear view of the playing field or court for spectators. The term bleachers originally referred to the wooden benches that were used for seating in outdoor sports venues, but over time it has come to refer to any type of raised seating structure used for viewing entertainment events.